Hi, my name is Hussein. Today we're going to talking about how we're doing the hair implantation here in the BlueMagic. So first of all, when you come to Istanbul, you don't have any kind of problem to find a driver or to make a reservation for the hotel because our packages including from A to Z. That meaning our special driver go with you to take you from the airport to the luxury cars and then go to the hotel to put your stuff, okay? Like in the hotel you can have for example the breakfast will be included in your package, and then the driver will pick you up from the airport till to the end day, even when you're gonna come to the surgery in the washing day, so you don't have any kind of problem to find a taxi or being late, for example, and all of the driver will be safe to come and to get back to the hotel. As you know, we are one of the biggest city around the world in Turkey, in Istanbul, right? So in the first day when you're coming to the hotel and put your stuff, you are free to go out and visit this beautiful city. Try some Turkish food, try some Turkish baklavas around. We advise you when you come into Istanbul to do the surgery before one day to stay in the hotel and chill at least between 7 to 8 hours, because your body start to be prepare yourself to not having too much effort during the surgery or to not feel too much tired during the surgery, because it's gonna be longer procedure between 6 to 7 hours. Depends about the method we're gonna use it, depends about the graft we're gonna have it between our hand. So before you come into the surgery, you have to prepare yourself. For example, you don't have to smoke too much if you are heavy smoker, because as you know, when you smoke or when you drink too much, your blood circulation will be less active, what it's damaging your graft we're gonna implant it. And plus you're gonna if you're having aspirin, you have ask your doctor to stop it before at least 5 days ago. You have also to check your skin if you're having any kind of for example eczemas, because in those kind of procedure we can do the hair implantation. And plus you have to prepare yourself, for example, to eat less spices, less salt, to eat more good food, what we have in antioxidant food, for example. And don't do mistakes before 5 days ago too. You can eat whatever you want, but just you have to eat kind of less spices and less salt, because it's gonna be effective for the blood circulation. And as you know, we need your blood circulation to be more active in your scalp. That's gonna be feeding those graft and supporting those graft. And plus you have to focus after the surgery with the food more antioxidanted, like eggs, like salmon, nuts, for example. Those kind of food prepare your skin and to heal you more faster after the surgery. And plus gonna be giving the power for those graft to grow in the more good and healthy shape. It depends. If we're gonna do it fully anesthesia, what doesn't recommend it too much, because we're doing kind of micro surgery. So it's okay to have good breakfast, but without eat too much sweet, let's say, for example, because during the surgery we're not gonna having for example bleeding, or you're having kind of your blood pressure, or having too much high. So we prefer to having basic breakfast with small of carb and not too much sweet. Of course, as we talk, from the first day till the end, till the day you're gonna fly, we're gonna provide you the luxury car with the driver from A to Z. So no need to making or any kind of reservation or to find a new car to pick you up from the hotel to the clinic to the airport. So as you know, and also we're gonna have in two type of different surgery. We have Sapphire technique and also we have DHI technique. With the DHI technique, we have in two type of different method. We have in one session and we have in two session. In one session, you come in the morning, we do the procedure. Next day, you're gonna come back, we're gonna free the bandage, we're gonna show you how you're gonna do the wash by yourself, and that's it done. When you're gonna have in two session, that meaning you're having more graft. We're gonna have in the first day, we're doing the crown part and we leave in the front for the next day. So we're gonna have in surgery in 2 days, we spread it in 2 days. In the third day, you're gonna come back again, we're gonna free the bandage and we're gonna show you how you're gonna do the wash by yourself. So after the surgery, as you know, many people, they mix it between take care about the hair or take care about the skin. Actually, we have to take care about our skin, because when you're having good and healthy skin, that means you're gonna having good and healthy hair. How we're gonna lead you in this? For example, the food you're gonna eat it, the shower you're gonna do it at the surgery, the massage you're gonna do it for the skin. All those kind of things is important after the surgery, because we need more hardness. Our purpose, our guests, they coming to us not just to have hair implantation. No, we need more high density to get back to your confidence again. In the washing day, after we free the bandages and we show to you how you're gonna do the wash by yourself, because it's kind of like important period, let's say between 1 to 15 days. So those graft we implanted gonna start to fall out. So we have to make the wash in the good and knowledge way to let those graft we implanted to start fall out so soon to having the new graft or the baby hair start to come in. In first day in the surgery, we don't provide too much to go outside, because you're gonna having like some kind of like, you're gonna be tired, you're gonna having maybe some kind of like swelling. So we provide to stay in the hotel and the chill. In the next day when we're gonna do the wash, after we free the bandage, because it's taking just 1 hour from us, you are free to go out, visit the city again, take some kind of like picture for the memories, but still without making too much effort, because even if you're gonna sweat, it's not good for your scalp. So I mean, the third day you are free to go out, visit the city, whatever, but with limit, let's say. So after the wash, after we finish the wash, we're gonna provide the car for you. You're gonna go back to the hotel, and in the day you're gonna fly in, also the car gonna be waiting you to pick you to the airport.